Yeah, I guess we can consider this part 2 of the video where I was showing some of the supplies and construction equipment for the border wall that they had to stop. But right here in the back, you can't see it from here, but it's where they have the sand, and it's where they make the concrete. And this is right over here. They have a sample wall showing, you know, what the wall looks like. I'll give you a view of everything we're looking at here. But these were the people that were building the wall. And they put up a sample wall. This is right along the highway, so people riding by can actually see what the wall looked like. It's supposed to look like. All right, we just saw this and wanted to add this in. I'll bring you more video as I see things you might be interested in.